5 amazing facts about the Igbos that you must know. 1. Rich cultural heritage. The Igbo people of Nigeria boast a vibrant and diverse cultural heritage, with a history dating back centuries. The Igbo culture encompasses unique art forms, traditional dances, and ceremonies that reflect their societal values and beliefs. From colorful masquerades to intricate beadwork, the Igbo cultural tapestry is a testament to the creativity and artistic prowess of this ethnic group. 2. Democratic traditions. One remarkable aspect of Igbo society is its historical democratic governance system known as the Igbo Village Council. Before colonial rule, many Igbo communities were organized into autonomous villages, each with its own council of elders and decision-making processes. This decentralized system allowed for local autonomy and collective decision-making, highlighting the Igbo people's commitment to participatory governance. 3. Entrepreneurial spirit. The Igbo people are renowned for their entrepreneurial acumen. Across Nigeria and beyond, Igbo entrepreneurs have played a significant role in commerce and trade. The famous Onitsha market, one of the largest open-air markets in West Africa, stands as a testament to the Igbo people's business prowess. Their adaptability and resilience have led to a strong presence in various industries, contributing to Nigeria's economic landscape. 4. Language diversity. The Igbo language, or Igbo, SS Igbo, is a linguistic treasure with numerous dialects, encompassing a wide range of tones and phonetic intricacies. Igbo is a tonal language that adds depth and nuance to communication, while maintaining a shared linguistic core. Different regions and communities within the Igbo ethnic group may have distinct dialects, contributing to the linguistic diversity that characterizes this fascinating culture. 5. Innovative architecture. Igbo architecture reflects a blend of tradition and innovation. The ancient Nri Kingdom, considered the cradle of Igbo civilization, boasts unique earthwork structures and shrines. Additionally, the Igbo Ukwu archaeological site has revealed bronze artifacts dating back to the 9th century, showcasing advanced metallurgical skills. The Igbo people's architectural heritage underscores their ingenuity in building structures that harmonize with the natural environment while incorporating artistic elements.